We are back at it, guys. Today we will be taking a close look at the new Cars Holiday 4 pack, which is exclusive to the Disney Store. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So yeah, this pack is only available, I believe, on the Disney Store UK website. If I throw an image, I will throw an image on the middle of your screen around about now. It costs around about £30 British, so which is not too bad, which works out to be, I believe, like what? £7 and 14, 21, 28. Yeah, £7.50 a car, roughly around that range. Yeah, it comes with this Lightning McQueen, Mater, Ramone, and Doc Hudson, which are all exclusive vehicles, all new paint jobs. I mean, Ramone is the only one that has had a paint job previously, but they all actually are unique because these are 1:43 scale. We can see here the Road Trip Lightning McQueen artwork and the Mater artwork. I don't know why they decided to use the Road Trip one. I guess that's because it's the most used one recently. We've got the Disney logo there in the corner. The 4 cars here, which we'll be taking a close look at in a few minutes. On the side, there is nothing too interesting. On the back, we can see some pretty nice artworks of these guys. You can see Ramone, Doc Hudson, Mater, and Lightning McQueen. And here's the barcode if you are interested. It does say £30 British. So yeah, really cool. You can see more stuff here. Another barcode if you want to, pause and read. We've got the Cars logo here. And that is pretty much it for the packaging, I would say. But there's a few more things about the packaging that I do want to talk about, but I'll get into that in the next clip. So this here is what the cars come in. This very nice background of Willie's Butte and the, racetrack in Cars 1. It's really cool for backgrounds, actually. I might end up keeping this. But yeah, really cool stuff. So yeah, now let's take a close look at all the 4 cars out of the packaging. So here they all are out of the packaging, and I gotta say, they look incredible. Disney Store, you have just outdone yourself completely here. There is a Halloween 4 pack, which is also available at this time of recording and the video going out. I'll throw an image on the middle of your screen of what that looks like, but I believe that is only available in Disney Store USA, whereas this one is available in Disney Store UK for the time being. But yeah, that is the Halloween pack. So without further ado, let's start off by taking a close look at Ramone, I guess, because he is the only one that looks similar to the others. So yeah, here is Ramone. We can see he does look really cool. Usual smiling expression. The normal hood, the decals are the same pretty much as the 1:55 scale, which is this one here on the right, as you can see, but the green is like a more metallic paint job, as you can clearly see on the die cast compared to the official release, which is the Mattel version here. You can see, but yeah, there is also some extra detailing like on the back here, which is, I guess, more accurate to the book. We can see the side here of Ramone is completely different with these stripes. As you can see, Christmas stripes compared to the regular Lightning Ramone stripes, I guess you could say. Got the bits there on the side, same as usual. And on the back, we got the low and slow license plate, just like normal, but in a nice metallic Christmas green. And on the base here, we can see just Disney Store. And yes, these do have rubber tyres, which, really cool. Not a pullback, but just, really cool to see. So thankful for Disney Store bringing back the classic cars, even if, it is just a one-off. These are just amazing. So there is a close look at Ramone. I'll now take a close look at Doc here, which I guess is based on the Mattel 1:55 version, just ever so slightly different, as you can see by the wreath. Even the Disney Store version of Doc does look more accurate than the 1:55 version, because it does have the yellow lights down here, or the indicators. It's got the Christmas wreath there in the middle. Really cool. We've got the outline in there. And again, we've got the red tyres, the Christmas, Hudson Hornet tyres. And the hat just looks really cool. Not removable though, so I wouldn't try, to remove that off. But yeah, you can see here, On the back, 51HHMD, Hudson Hornet, and they even coloured in the Hornet logos. Just looks really incredible. And there is a look at the base. You can see the 2 holes there, which he was, you know, to be placed in the packaging. But yeah, there is a now comparison of the 1-55 version. As you can see here, just how much better the Disney Store one is. Even the Disney Store took time to add the Hornet logos properly, then Mattel just cheaping out. Really, really cool stuff. Doc, you're just amazing. There is also another Doc I wanted to compare him to, and that was the Mini Racer one. We've got in the Advent calendar. You can see the Christmas wreath there as well. The white wool tyres, and just looks really cool. And yep, he does have rubber tyres too. So yeah, there is Doc. Now here is Mater. I believe he was actually in the, you know, Cars Land. If I do find an image, I will throw an image on the middle of your screen. But yep, here he is. He looks absolutely amazing. I mean, let's just start off. I mean, yes, he does have the same expression as all other Maters, you know, from the Disney Store. But we're just going to gloss over that. I mean, the mouth expression is actually different compared to the Christmas one here, which was available in a 2-pack with a McQueen, which I'll show off later on. But you can see here the size, just how much better the tyres are. You see the yellow on the back, orange on the front. It's like a really, really cool... Disney Store, just continue to release stuff like this, man. Just, please, even if you've done it like once or twice a year, you would just be so much better than Mattel. See the tow motor there, the towing cable, and the back is a little Christmas wreath. That is just to look how cool that is, and the A113 license plate with the hazards as well, which I will show you the back of the Christmas one now from Disney Store, and also the 1-55 version with the rubber tyres. So I guess Disney Store had a little bit of inspiration here from this one here, which is available as a single, I believe, and then in a multi-pack. I'm not entirely sure, I can't quite remember, but it would have been cool if they gave them all snowy tyres like they did here. I mean, Salt Flats Racers, like, why can't they have tyres like this, you know, with snow treaded on dip? Anyways, that's just Mattel for you. But yeah, we can see the mirrors here. They look really, really cool. And here is the base of Mater. You can see the rubber tyres. It's got treads as well. All that's illegal information on Mater. Made in Vietnam, UK, Canada. That is a lot of information. Feel free to pause and read if you wish, but yeah, there's so much information there on Mater. But the one you've all been waiting for is Lightning McQueen, which is really, really cool. They even changed up his expression, because almost all of the Cars 2 Lightning McQueens use this expression. So for them to just swap it completely is a bonus to begin with. But yeah, this McQueen got to be one of my favourite releases of 2025. I've got to wait until I see the Halloween version. But yeah, again, if I find an image of what this McQueen looks like during Christmas time at Cars Land, then I'll throw that in the middle of your screen. Around about now, but yeah, you can see nothing too interesting on the hood. But again, he has the same pretty much Christmas hat as Doc, but you know, it is just flipped. We can see the nice Christmassy green lightning bolt there on the side. We can see the spoiler as well on the back has it. You've got the Lightning McQueen or the Lightyear tyres with the treads as well. Really cool stuff. And I did want to show off this McQueen, which was in the 2-pack with the Mater, which I showed a minute ago. So yeah, you can see the McQueen here, how much different this one is compared to the one in the 4-pack. On the back, we can see the nice spoiler. Just looks really cool. I'm just surprised. I haven't even got a space for these guys yet, but I'll find them somehow, somewhere. But you know, here is the look at the sides, you can see. And again, at the front. Would have been cool if they'd done a snowy, you know, sort of paint to him. You can see here the base of Lightning McQueen now. So yeah, looks really cool, and it doesn't roll too well on flat surfaces. I think mine might be a little bit faulty. He does look like he's leaning to the, left here. So maybe there's something wrong. I mean, it looks like they could be compared to the gappage here. And yeah, there might be something wrong. But you know what? Disney Store, you just completely outdone yourself with this 4-pack. I just can't believe how cool it is. If I forgot any information, then you could scream at me in the comments below. But for the time being, this has got to be one of the greatest packs of all time. I have so many more videos to record and schedule now. I've got so many, just so many interesting ones. Comment down below which is your favourite out of these 4 here. And to the next video, which will be probably tomorrow at this point. Peace, everybody.